How to adjust the text size and zoom in or out in Windows 11. Zoom using the click wheel on your mouse. Click anywhere on the Windows 11 desktop or open the web page you want to view. Press and hold the Control key on the keyboard, and then roll the scroll wheel on the mouse to enlarge or shrink objects on the screen. Zoom using the keyboard. Click anywhere on the Windows desktop or open the web page you want to view. Press and hold the Control key on the keyboard, and then press either the plus sign or the minus sign to make objects on the screen larger or smaller. To restore the normal view, press and hold the Control key and then press the 0 key. Zoom using the touchpad on notebooks. If you have a notebook computer with a touchpad, you can use the touchpad zoom feature to shrink or enlarge objects on the screen with the pinch gesture. To zoom in or make objects larger, move 2 fingers apart on the trackpad. To zoom out or make objects smaller, move 2 fingers together on the trackpad. Adjust the size of text in Windows settings. In Windows 11, search for and open Make Text Size Bigger. Use the slider bar next to text size to enlarge or shrink the size of text, and then click Apply. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.